Iqela le-EFF kwiphondo laseMpuma Koloni libambe umngcelele ngaphandle kwezakhiwo zejelo le-SABC eGqeberha linyanzelisa eli jelo ukuba libuyisele emsebenzini umsasazo ogxothiweyo umfundisi uMzukisi Faleni obesasaza inkqubo yokholo eyaziwa ngemvuselelo kwisikhululo sikanomathotholo umhlobo wenene FM. Umfundisi uFaleni ugxothiwe leli jelo lisithi waphule isivumelwano sakhe sengqesho.
We came here as friends of Dr. Faleni to say we have seen his work, we have seen impact in our communities. The man is listened to by over 2 million people. Those 2 million during COVID were listening to Dr. Faleni where there were no churches. They were healed spiritually. Their souls were healed. Dr. Faleni was doing that job. And I don't know where the SABC, Umhlobo Wenene, has the guts to say they have fired him. How can you fire someone that you've got one year contract with, 1 year, every year, 1 year contract, year in, year out? This guy is not permanently employed. Hence, he's also employed elsewhere.